guys? So welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. What's up? My name is Diana. If you are new to my channel, what up, what up? My name is Diana. Welcome to my channel, and hi to each and every one of you guys watching. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up, please. And don't forget to subscribe before you click out. I will be doing this tutorial for you guys. It's just a super easy fucking tutorial with 2 eyeshadows. Well, basically like 3, 4, but it's a really pretty nice look, more of a subtle-ish look. If you guys are interested in this look, go ahead and keep watching. I will go ahead and insert the clips in a little bit. So yeah, this is about it, and this is all I'm gonna be doing today. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm sorry I've been in my I've been freaking stuck with life and doing other crazy shit over here at home. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you guys so much. so I already did the eyes. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put an eyeshadow in my inner corner. I think I'm gonna use this one. No, I'm not. I'm actually gonna look for one. Let me see. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. I always use this one for my inner corner highlight. It's really pretty. It's like a marble-ish type color. Let's see. Okay. All right. So good. This is the color. It's like a marble. So I'm gonna grab a brush. I'm gonna grab this and just pack it in the inner corner like so. So I'm just gonna blend this in a little bit. The outer corners, they are harsh as fuck. Alright, so that's the eye look, and then I'm gonna go ahead and probably put, I think I'm gonna put black eyeliner under. I didn't want to, but I'm going to because I feel like that's gonna make it more dramatic. So I'm just gonna get a black eyeliner and go under, and then just apply it in, and also apply it right here under there. Like so. I didn't even have to pick it up. Alright, that is cute. I think that's really pretty. So now we're just gonna go ahead and grab a lip liner. I think I'm just gonna go with this is the LA Girl Flesh lip liner, but you can't even see shit. You can see a little bit, but nothing. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna get a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna be grabbing this one. This one is by Beauty Creation, and it's just a liquid lipstick in hazelnut. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I always go over the line. It's not super pigmented, so I have to make it. I'm gonna add a little bit of this pinky one in the middle. Okay, so that's really pretty. And now for the last thing, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my setting spray. I've been loving this setting spray, guys. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go. It's really good. So we're just gonna apply our setting spray. Okay, let's move this hair. And this smells really good. I did apply a little bit of highlight, just a little tiny bit, just a little bit, and I showed it on the clip, I think. My hair is not frizzy. I think it is. I'm gonna strain it, but I'm gonna leave it down. Alright, so that'll be all for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, comment down below please, and I'll go ahead and answer to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.